They said, Moses, Allah has favor with you. Allah holds you in high esteem. Beg to Allah, use your favor, step in for us. Use your favor. You are the Prophet of Allah. The arch enemy, the man who did so much to the Prophet, now speaks like this when he is in trouble. If you remove these filthy torments, these unclean plagues from us, of course we will believe in you. We will send the children of Israel with you. Pharaoh made them slaves for 400 years. Okay, we'll let them go. Go wherever you're going. Go to the Jerusalem side. We will liberate you. This is what the Quran says. They say, pray to the Allah. I thought you were Allah. You didn't know any other Allah as Pharaoh. Now you are saying to Moses alayhi salam, pray to the Allah. How does he understand when he is stuck? What difference does it make if you are Pharaoh? What difference does it make if you are Shedit? Until everyone gets into turbulence, isn't it? When you start shaking, everyone starts saying Allah. The atheist says Allah. You were an atheist. How are you an atheist? You say Allah. He says, don't get involved. He says, if we can get rid of it, there is no other way. That's what he says. He says it himself. Communism until you see the money. Feminism until you see the husband. Atheism is until you get into turbulence. When it shakes, everyone says Allah. Jafari Sadiq told one such atheist, the name of the atheist then was Dairy. We have become what we are by turning from one thing to another like the theory of evolution. He says we have become like this on our own. The dairy mind, they brought him to Jafari Sadiq. He asked him questions. Radiallahu ta'ala, sir, he says, you are on a ship at sea. What do you trust? You trust the ship. He said, the ship broke. What happened? You stayed on a wood. You went from the ship to the boat. The boat broke down. There are 1 or 2 pieces of wood left. What happened? You rely on it. You cling to it. Maybe I'll live in the waves until someone finds me again or drags me to a shore like this. The wood is also gone. Everything is gone. You're left in the middle of the sea. He said, do you have any hope of living again? He said, I do. When he said that it was because of his trust in the Creator, the dairy believed. Because he looked when every reason was over. When all the means were exhausted. At the point where you say, no remedy can reach me anymore. If you can still think that there is a power that can keep me alive, that thought proves the existence of Allah. Because Allah exists, you can still say that you can live without any reason. There is hope for the life that not comes to an end. No one really gives up hope. The hope of life exists within you because there is a Creator. Do you understand? What can He do without a reason? He can make it work. Where does that feeling come from to you? It comes from your realization of the Creator, from your faith, from your consciousness. Even if you don't admit it, that finding inside you, that feeling is the cause. Then when you are a materialist, when you are dependent to matter, you attribute everything to a cause. But when all the reasons are over, you still have the hope of living. Hazrat Jafar radiallahu asked this question. The man says there is. Then he says there's no reason left for you to live. But you have hope because there is a Creator. He can make you live without a reason. That's Mawla. He says his essence is obvious. It is understood with the mind. Only this cannot be comprehended. That is, no one can fully understand Allah. There is seeing, but there is seeing in the hereafter. Now we're talking about it, it's already a lesson. But comprehension is different. Ihata means to comprehend. To comprehend means to understand in every aspect. It cannot be understood in every aspect. We still cannot understand a person in every aspect. We try to get to know our Hoja, a Sheikh, a Murshid. We stand next to him for 40 years and we have not yet understood every aspect of him. How can we understand Allah, the Creator of the universe? For Him, we cannot recognize Him from the point of view of His personality, from the point of view of all aspects.